Hey everyone, I am back with another apartment tour. So today we are checking out Hanover Preston Hollow. It's located in one of Dallas's most prestigious neighborhoods and it's close to North Park Mall. So if you are a big shopper, they have so many stores there, lots of upscale shops as well. Okay, so here is the mail room. If you have a package, it will go into this room right here. So you have to scan a code on your phone in order to have access to that room for all your Amazon packages. They have a 5-level parking garage with 15 EV chargers. And as you saw in the beginning of the video, they do have valet parking. So that's available for you and your guests as well. So here's one of their outdoor areas and their dog run. You can see all the way back there. So they're very pet friendly here. And they also have a dog spa. So you can wash your furry friends in here and dry them off at the drying station. So definitely, oh, they also have shampoo and conditioner from Burt's Bees. So nice and natural. So definitely love their pets here. And here is one of the outdoor areas, the courtyard, and they have gas grills as well. Okay, so now we are heading up to the top floor, which is the 22nd floor. That's where they have all of their amenities, like this gym with a fantastic view of the city. And they also have a rooftop pool. So I love how much natural light is in here. Even though it was a cloudy day, you still didn't need any additional lighting in here just because of the windows. Now they have more grills on the top floor, the rooftop. They also have a fire pit out here that comes on when the weather's colder. We are heading into pool season, so that fire pit is not going to be on for a long time. And when the sun is out, the view up here is amazing. I can only imagine the beautiful sunsets out here also. It'd be perfect for rooftop parties. And they do have resident events also. So they have those on the top floor. You can also rent out some of these spaces up here if you want to have like a private party, a catered event. You can do that up here. And they do play sports and news and other things on the TVs right here. You can also use this as like a conference room. It's first come, first serve as far as I know. Just great views all the way around. Really beautifully decorated. I love the spaces up here. Beautiful. They also have some work areas here. If you are someone who works from home or if you need some more privacy, they have some off to the side where you can close the door and do your thing and not be bothered by others. Okay, time to check out some apartments. Now, this one happens to be my favorite 2-bedroom floor plan, besides the penthouses, of course, because when you walk into this one, you're not just walking right into the kitchen. This one has a built-in desk area, also has a laundry room right next to the front door, and so much space in here, floor to ceiling windows. This is a corner unit and it also has a gas stove. So you will have gas on the 2 bedrooms in this building. And there's just so much space and natural light in here. We have a balcony that overlooks Highway 12. There are a bunch of shops and shopping centers like North Park Mall I mentioned earlier. That's right down the street. Ton of really good restaurants around here also. And here is the first bedroom. You're gonna have a ceiling fan built in, large windows with adjustable shades. And this one has 2 sinks. This is the larger of the 2 bathrooms. It will have a huge garden tub to soak in, as well as a glass shower and a walk-in closet with lots of built-ins right here for all your belongings. Now let's head over to the other side of the apartment where we have our second bedroom. Also has nice big windows and a ceiling fan. Now this bathroom is slightly smaller and it will have a stand-up shower and a walk-in closet. Okay, so this is the B13 model, which is one of their larger 2 bedrooms, I believe. It's around 1,700 square feet. And it does have a study right here. Is this a bathroom? Oh, no, it's a closet. Cool. So here's a kitchen. Love that it has gas, not electric. Get a lot of people asking about gas, and generally I have only seen gas in high rises, and usually it's the newer high rises. You are gonna pay a premium for that also. Here's the laundry space. Cute. Love this fridge. Thought this was real for a second. Beautiful kitchen island. The plugs definitely come in handy. We have our dry bar right here. This does have a balcony. This is also facing south. So if you want a lot of natural light, south facing is the way to go. Even though this is right next to a road, it's not very loud at all. This is Highway 12. Which takes you to North Park Mall. The best mall in Dallas. Okay, so here's our living space. Let's check out one of the bedrooms. So the bedroom does have carpet. I noticed in the penthouse, the bedrooms do not have carpet. Walk-in shower and a closet, large closet. Okay, so I wonder which bedroom is bigger, that one or the one we're going to right now. Yes, this one is bigger. Oh, they also have some patio furniture outside. Nice. So this is a king size bed. This is a big room. Okay, now this is a bathroom. Yes, we have our separate tub and shower. Love, love. That's a big bathtub too. I remember touring one time with a realtor friend of mine, and he is 6'5" and was able to fit in their sister property's bathtub. So tall people will definitely fit. Gorgeous. Love this closet. Obsessed. Okay, so now we are entering their 1-bedroom model. And if you notice, they do have different finishes. So they have the driftwood finish in this one, which would be the light tan. Also has gas. So if you like gas instead of electric, then this is a great spot for you. I love the coloring of the floor and the finishes here. It's beautiful. So here we have our side-by-side full-size washer and dryer, and enough space for a table, or if you just want to do the bar stools and have the space be open, that definitely works. Sometimes 1-bedrooms can get a little cramped if you have too much furniture. So here's the view on this side. It has a better view on the other side of the building, in my opinion. And of course, the 2-bedrooms are going to have the best views, especially the corner units. So here is our spacious 1-bed. You can definitely fit a king-size bed in there and still have some room. You have 2 entries to the bathroom via the hallway and the bedroom. This one will have 2 sinks and the shower and tub as well. They also have some floor plans that have a walk-in shower if you prefer that. And we have our large walk-in closet. One thing about Texas apartments that I absolutely love is that they tend to have walk-in closets in every apartment building. It's pretty rare to find a place with small closets. Next, we are checking out a penthouse. So this is a penthouse that is 2 bedrooms. It is one of their smaller penthouses. It's still over 2,000 square feet. So that was the laundry space. Here is a half bath, which is huge. They definitely could have put something here, but it's very spacious. Love the brick facade. Oh, it's tile, but it mimics brick. Nice little foyer. And here is bedroom number 1. This is a smaller one. You have these tall ceilings and a great view. We are up on the 21st floor. Today's a bit cloudy, but when the sun's out, I'm sure it'll be a beautiful view up here. And here's our bathroom. This one has a walk-in shower and of course a walk-in closet. Of course, the other closet's much better, so we're gonna get there next. But first, let's head over to the kitchen. Love this living area. So beautiful, so many windows. And here we have our wet bar, wine cooler. Here is the kitchen. Love how open this is. Beautiful. And the penthouse will have upgraded finishes compared to the rest of the building, such as this built-in fridge. Oh my gosh, it's black on the inside. I love that. That's actually the first one I've seen like this in the whole city of Dallas. And I love the grip on the handlebars right there too. Nice contrast between the floor and cabinet colors. And of course we have the gas. Gold-plated, love that. Beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows. Of course, you're paying a premium for the penthouse, so you want to have the most upgraded finishes. Oh, the fireplace. I didn't even notice that until right now. We have our balcony right here. Can definitely fit some chairs out here, maybe a small sofa. Nothing too crazy. Let's go over here and check out this fireplace. Gas fireplace, of course. Nice marble surrounding, and then we have our built-ins. Okay, so let's check out our primary bedroom. I like how they have the herringbone finishes right here too. No. Okay, so this one, oh, this is way bigger. This is a king size bed and you still have plenty of space, which is why they put the sofa right here. And we have a balcony. So you can sit out here in the morning, read your books, drink your coffee, unless you want to do that in the living area. Now let's head over to the bathroom. My favorite part, of course, is tub. Love that. We have 2 massive sinks right here. The shelving. Soft close, it better be. And a very large shower. Love this. Here is our water closet and pantry with built-in shelving. Actually, I lied. This is my favorite part, the closet. Love the custom closet. That's what I love about penthouses. They generally have the most beautiful closets. Gorgeous built-ins here. Love this. Love, love, love. Cool. So now we are in one of their other penthouses. This one is actually larger. As you can see, we have the study with the glass doors, a wet bar with a wine cooler, and this one has a fireplace. It looks similar to the other penthouse right here, but you will have more space in the living area. Balcony is on another side, and then our kitchen right here. So very similar to the last one, except you have one more bedroom and additional living space. However, the kitchen and living area is pretty much the same. So here is a view. I love all these windows. Like, I can just imagine waking up here and seeing the city. Also have your butler's pantry in here. Can fit a ton of stuff in there. And let's check out the rest of this beautiful penthouse. So we are coming into one of the bedrooms. We're not in the primary yet. We have our large windows super tall ceilings, and this one has its own bathroom with a tub in there. Okay, now going down the hall, we are coming into our half bath, a little storage closet here, coat closet, and bedroom number 2. So this one has its own bathroom and a walk-in shower. Also has a ceiling fan, pretty tall windows, and a walk-in closet as well. And the third bedroom is going to be the primary suite, which would be right here, and it has its own door and own balcony. However, the bathroom and closet are separated, so coming over here, oh wait, I lied. Now we have our closet, one of 2 closets, okay? Here is closet number 2. So much space in here. So you have a his side and a her side. Of course, you know, the girl usually gets the most space because we tend to have more clothes and shoes and accessories. Also have more storage right here, so that's super convenient. And this bathroom is everything. I love how the tub is next to the window. There's so much space in here. The shower is enormous. Has the overhead shower head as well as another one. And here we have our beautiful bathtub and shelving there. So I would definitely put some candles over there and the toiletries as well. Okay, let's check out the rest of the space.